One of the prejudices about Oswald Spengler seems to be that he holds the view of Western cultural supremacy. This could not be further from the truth. In fact, accepted thinkers like Adorno quite a few years after Spengler still entirely held to a Eurocentric view when it came to world history, culture and philosophy. Spengler did not do so already in the 1920s. At our course on Spengler, we will learn exactly what he really thought. Consider this following quote from him. "Mankind, however, has no aim, no idea, no plan, any more than the family of butterflies or orchids. Mankind is a zoological expression or an empty word. But conjure away the phantom, break the magic circle, and at once there emerges an astonishing wealth of actual forms of the living, with all its immense fullness, depth, and movement hitherto veiled by a catchword, a dry as dust scheme, and a set of personal ideals. I see, in place of that empty figment of one linear history which can only be kept up by shutting one's eyes to the overwhelming multitude of the facts, the drama of a number of mighty cultures, each springing with primitive strength from the soil of a mother region to which it remains firmly bound throughout its whole life cycle, each stamping its material, its mankind, in its own image, each having its own idea, its own passions, its own life, will and feeling, its own death." Spengler is certainly not a relativist in the nihilistic postmodern sense of anything goes and pure difference. Each culture and each civilization to him has its own destiny and must fulfill that destiny. To the progressive mind, this is an affront because if there even is destiny, then it must be singular and universal, all high cultures collapsing into one sludge of a globalized shopping mall. Now, Spengler's relativism is such that he can appreciate the distinct beauty and character of each culture without forming a hierarchy of them. I wonder, are you open-minded enough to challenge your Eurocentric or Western-centric progressive worldview and open yourself to the genuine richness of other cultures? If yes, then you should join our Spengler Masterclass this October. The link to enroll is in the description of this video. Thank you very much.